struggling to sleep peacefully? Tossing and turning all night? Or waking up tired every morning? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share simple, effective tips to improve your sleep habits so you can wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Let's get started. Welcome to FitNexus Roots. If you're new here, this channel is all about health, fitness, and tips to live a better life. Many people face challenges when it comes to sleep. Some wake up multiple times at night, while others just can't fall asleep. But we all know how important sleep is. It's essential for healing the body and giving the mind the rest it needs. Bad sleep habits can not only affect your health, but they can also drain your energy. So today, I'm going to share simple, natural ways to improve your sleep so you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. If you're interested in more tips for a healthier lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, FitNexus Roots, and stay with us on this journey to better health. 1. Find the right sleeping position. Did you know that your sleeping position can have a big impact on the quality of your sleep? There's a popular saying in Gujarati that teaches us about 4 sleeping positions based on our mental and physical state. Stomach sleepers. People who are feeling sad or depressed tend to sleep on their stomachs. Back sleepers. Those who are sick, have larger bellies, or tend to snore often sleep on their back. Left side sleepers. This position is known as W-Kuki sleep and is ideal for people with many responsibilities, householders. Sleeping on the left side opens the right nostril, Surya Nadi, which energizes and strengthens the body. Right side sleepers. Sleeping on the right side opens the left nostril, Chandra Nadi, which has a calming effect on the body and mind. It's a good idea to alternate between both left and right sides for balance. Your body knows what it needs, so always listen to it. 2. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. The next step for good sleep is having a regular sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. 3. Create a comfortable sleeping environment. Make sure you're wearing comfortable clothes when you sleep. Avoid tight clothes that can restrict your muscles, because if your body feels constricted, it won't be able to fully relax and fall into deep sleep. 4. Limit electronic devices. Before bed. How many of us check our phones or watch TV right before going to bed? The blue light emitted from these devices interferes with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. To improve your chances of sleeping well, avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bedtime. 5. Practice yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation are great ways to relax your mind and body naturally. Gentle yoga poses like Viparita Karani, legs up the wall, and Balasana, child's pose, help calm the body. You can also try deep belly breathing or meditation to relax your mind before bed. 6. Watch your diet and hydration. What you eat affects your sleep quality. Avoid consuming tea, coffee, or any caffeinated drinks after sunset, as they can disrupt your sleep patterns. Opt for a light, easily digestible dinner and stay hydrated throughout the day. However, reduce your fluid intake in the evening to avoid waking up to go to the bathroom during the night. 7. Be careful with napping. Taking a nap during the day can be helpful, but don't overdo it. A short nap of 10 to 30 minutes can refresh you, but longer naps or napping too late in the day can make it harder to sleep at night. Keep your naps early in the day to avoid interfering with your nighttime sleep. 8. Eliminate bad sleep habits. Lastly, improving your sleep starts with breaking bad habits. Small changes like adjusting your sleeping position, sticking to a regular sleep routine, and avoiding electronics before bed can have a huge impact on your sleep quality. By incorporating these simple yet powerful tips into your routine, you'll be on your way to achieving restful, undisturbed sleep every night. Start today and wake up tomorrow feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Remember, good sleep starts with good habits.